And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Much warmer weather on the way. Warmest weather since early December on the way. It's going to feel like spring around here by Friday and into Saturday. But we've got 2 waves of rainfall, and both of them together over a 3-day period are going to add up 1 to 2 inches area-wide. It's going to cause rivers to come up. Now, I think the Wabash will approach, if not reach, flood stage in Lafayette and Covington once we get into early next week. But once we get into early next week, it gets much colder again, some snow possible Monday, but there are still uncertainties with that snow in regards to the track of the system, how much may fall, when it will get here. A lot of issues with it, but it will become more apparent what's going to unfold here in the coming days. So for us, clouds on the increase. You can see them coming up from the south and the southwest. There's our storm spinning here, moving northeastward. So you get the idea. The rain will eventually get in here, and the rain will start to first arrive in kind of a showery mode. We may get a couple showers in here midday, early afternoon tomorrow. It's possible as skies go overcast, but the showers will tend to increase, especially as we get into the evening, and the steady, widespread rainfall will be in the area as we get into tomorrow night, with some of the models painting the heaviest rainfall very late tomorrow night, early Friday morning. But that gets out of here, and Friday will dry out, even though it's going to be mostly cloudy, but we're going to have a nice south to southwest wind, and it will warm up in a big way, with temps in some places up around 60 degrees. Tonight, though, still that increase in cloudiness, kind of an east wind, 29 Lafayette, 27 Burlington, all the way down to 26 at Peru and 28 at Remington. Tomorrow we go overcast. The showers start to increase very gradually as we get into the afternoon, especially tomorrow evening. But with that east to slightly southeast wind component, it's not going to be a warm wind per se. It's not going to be bad tomorrow, but it will not be 60, 42 Lafayette, Romney, 39 Burlington, 41 Frankfort, and about 41 at Fowler. Once we get into Friday, though, the rain pulls away. It's still mostly cloudy, kind of hazy, but nice and warm, kind of breezy from the south. 57 at Burlington, 59 Lafayette, Attica, 60 at Crawfordsville, 61 Covington, and even up at Logansport and Rochester, 55. So Storm 1, Thursday and early part of Friday, will move that direction with that track from Texas up into central Illinois with rain here. Second storm, another round of rain Saturday, perhaps even a couple of thunderstorms, but then we'll have to watch as we get into early next week as it starts to get colder. 1 to 2 inches of rain area wide is what we're expecting in that 3-day period. Notice anywhere from about an inch and a quarter at Rensselaer to perhaps around an inch and a half around Lafayette. And there's the next storm we'll have to watch early next week, perhaps a little wintry precip. 7-day forecast. 59 on Friday, 58 Saturday, but then we cool way off. It's back to the 20s and the 30s again, and we're talking snow perhaps as we get into early next week. Still a lot of uncertainties with that forecast. A lot of forecasting to look into tonight to kind of pin when that's going to move in.
That inch and a half of rainfall, if that was snow, that'd be a lot of snow, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that would be about 15 inches of snow.
Oh, I'm glad it's going to be 58.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Jed.
Thanks, Jed. Well, a Colts executive on the move, Mike.
Yeah, and we'll explain it could have a domino effect on that coaching staff to keep an eye on.